Salesforce Sandbox Management Tips for Developers. A Salesforce Sandbox is a copy of your production environment. It is for testing and development. It lets developers test new features, code, and configs. They can do this without risking the production system. Salesforce offers different types of sandboxes. Developer Sandbox, a small, isolated environment with limited storage, ideal for individual development. Developer Pro Sandbox, like Developer Sandbox, but with more storage. It's useful for larger projects. Partial Copy Sandbox, a test environment with some production data and metadata. It is for testing apps in a realistic setting. Full Sandbox, a complete replica of the production environment, with all data and metadata. It's ideal for performance and user acceptance testing, UAT. Mismanaged sandboxes can lead to data inconsistencies, deployment failures, and wasted resources. With careful planning and maintenance, developers can maximize Salesforce sandboxes. This will improve workflows and lead to better project outcomes. Tips for effective Salesforce sandbox management. Choose the right sandbox for your needs. Understanding the purpose of each sandbox type is critical for effective management. For example, use developer sandboxes for individual coding and debugging. Choose partial copy or full sandboxes for comprehensive testing with real-world data. Avoid overloading smaller sandboxes with unnecessary data to prevent performance issues. Regularly refresh sandboxes. Refreshing a sandbox updates it with the latest data and metadata from production. This ensures consistency between sandbox and production environments. Utilize version control systems, VCS. Version control tools like Git are invaluable for managing code changes across sandboxes. Best practices include committing all changes to the VCS before deploying them to production. Conclusion. In conclusion, for any base programmer, mastering ProcSQL in SAS is crucial. It will improve their data manipulation and analytical skills.